Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make roll kulfi at home. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need full-fat milk, heavy cream, sugar, and a touch of cardamom powder for the rich base. Don't forget your favorite nuts, like pistachios and almonds, along with a few strands of saffron for that authentic taste. Make sure your kulfi molds or small cups are ready for the freezing process. Next, we'll cook our kulfi base. Pour about 4 cups of full-fat milk and 1 cup of heavy cream into a heavy-bottomed pan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low. Let it simmer, stirring occasionally until it thickens significantly, reducing to about 1/3 of its original volume. Now, stir in about half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a pinch of saffron. Once your kulfi base has cooled slightly, it's time to add more flavor. Stir in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped nuts, such as pistachios and almonds. Now, carefully pour the rich kulfi mixture into your cylindrical molds or small glasses. Place them in the freezer for about 2 hours. After this initial freeze, gently insert a wooden stick into the center of each kulfi for easy handling later. The final step is freezing and serving your delightful roll kulfi. Place the filled molds back into the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even better, overnight, to ensure they are perfectly set. When you are ready to serve, briefly dip the molds in warm water for just a few seconds to help release the kulfi. Enjoy your homemade treat chilled, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of extra chopped nuts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.